Alternative meat companies are finding a boost due to ongoing meat shortages. A soy-based burger from Impossible Burger will soon be available at Kroger. Beyond Meat is also offering discounts on their products this summer. This all comes as grocery chains, including Costco and Kroger, add limits on buying meat products.
So the limit and the meat shortage is helping Impossible Foods and Beyond Meat, but people love meat, and Beyond Meat will never really replace meat, but I think people are more willing to try Beyond Meat and think more healthy because of the crisis we're in. People might think, oh, I should eat more healthy, I shouldn't eat too much meat. That could really help the meat. And at the end of the day, big money like mutual fund managers and hedge funds, they're going to have guys go and call these grocery stores in the United States and check, hey, do you have any Beyond Meat, or do you still have a meat shortage? They're going to ask questions like that because it's part of their research. So if they realize that, hey, most of these stores are still selling out of Beyond Meat products, well, I mean, that's only a bullish sign, right? No, that's my opinion. But this video, we're going to be talking about Beyond Meat possibly buying McDonald's investing into Beyond Meat. So I would appreciate a thumbs up for this video. So Beyond Meat right now is trading at $30.82. How would McDonald's investing in the Beyond Meat help Beyond Meat? McDonald's are the king at advertising. They are the king at advertising. They would really bring out Beyond Meat's brand, or they would really help Beyond Meat establish a great brand if they became partners. And McDonald's invest into Beyond Meat. Constellation brand invested $5 billion Canadian, $4 billion US into Canopy Growth. I think Constellation brand kind of got scammed by Bruce Linton, but hey, you know what? It doesn't matter because they went out, they took a big gamble, and that gamble is not really paying off right now. So so if McDonald's took a big gamble on Beyond Meat, it may not pay off, but if they do, Beyond Meat could experience massive growth in a short amount of time because McDonald's has a lot of connections. They have good branding, and right now it's in the current situation we're in, it will really help Beyond Meat push its branding to a new level if McDonald's invested into Beyond Meat. Will they? I have no idea. I mean, if I was the CEO of Beyond Meat, I would consider it, basically if McDonald's partnered up with Beyond Meat, they would be established as the number one meatless plant-based meatless burgers or plant-based company in the world, because with McDonald's and a huge amount of money backing the company, I think Beyond Meat would be established as a major player. And if we look at how would this help McDonald's? I think McDonald's would benefit from the fact that, a lot of people think at McDonald's as, fast food, greasy, unhealthy food. But with them investing into Beyond Meat, they would benefit. They would they would say, hey, we are thinking about, saving the environment, eating more healthy. That's the kind of advertisement they can push out to their customer, making their customers believe in McDonald's a little bit more. Because right now, if you think about McDonald's, you go there because the food is cheap and good, but you don't really go there because you think it's healthy. No, you don't. But McDonald's could change the image of healthy, good food, with investing into Beyond Meat. At least that's my opinion. Some people might have a different opinion on it. And then if we look at McDonald's finances, we could clearly see they make about between around $5 billion per quarter in revenue, and they are valued at $134 billion, $135 billion. Beyond Meat eventually could hit $5 billion of revenue, especially if they got McDonald's to help them out, because they're a worldwide company. They're in almost every restaurant, they're in almost every grocery chain. And with a stronger branding, there is a huge possibility Beyond Meat could really succeed as a company if McDonald's helped them, at least in my opinion. So, I honestly think that, like Beyond Meat will eventually get there, and I think $8 billion right now is, you could say fair value. Some people might call it overvalue. I'm not here to, the chart is still bullish from a charting perspective, but, I don't know. That's just my opinion. Coke makes really big investment. McDonald's has always been playing it safe, but Coke's been making huge investments. Like, they made an investment in Monster Energy, and Monster Energy is a $35 billion company right now, depending on the day it's trading, but it's making roughly $1 billion of revenue per quarter. $1 billion of revenue per quarter, and they are valued at $35 billion. So Beyond Meat will eventually hit $1 billion per quarter. When that happens, where would the market evaluate Beyond Meat? Would it be $8 billion still, or would it be $20 to $30 billion? That's why, with McDonald's help, their revenue will increase dramatically, their branding will increase dramatically, and they would get a higher evaluations once they hit that $1 billion mark. And this is a good hedge for McDonald's, because it ensures that, I think it's a good hedge for McDonald's. That's my opinion. So, Kronos and Altera invested bought a 45% stake into Kronos Group for $1.8 billion. So there's scenarios out there. There was the time when people were saying Apple not buying a stake in Tesla would be the biggest mistake Tim Cook's career. So yeah, if there's lots of talk about, I think Beyond Meat would benefit big time from McDonald's investing into them, but that's just my opinion. Zoom, $150 million. If they make $150 million, I think that they will reach $1 billion of revenue very soon. But look at the valuation on it, $46.94 billion. That's ridiculous in my opinion. So I think Beyond Meat has significant room to move to the upside. But again, at the end of the day, rich people control the stock price. So if they want to pull the rug out of Beyond Meat, and everyone seems to bail, this could be potentially the greatest short, or this could be a good short right now, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. The only way that Beyond Meat, I think, would crash back to $100 is if the market crash, which could be any day now. That's my opinion. So we'll see what happens. The market right now is red. Nasdaq SPY, it was green today, but I don't know what's gonna happen moving forward. I think the market's gonna keep going up, but that's my opinion. We'll see what happens. Pre-market right now is a little red, but that's not a big deal. And oil is slightly down, trading sideways. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Wow, I almost made it a 10-minute video. That's pretty good. I honestly believe that if Kronos didn't have that $2 billion investment from Altera Group, I think Kronos would be like valued at like 50 cents US, maybe. You know, that's my opinion. Right now they have a cash position of wow, $1.2 billion. They spent quite a bit of money. I guess they had some short-term investment, so yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Wait, hold on. This is biannually. This is by quarterly. Yeah, the cash position is 1.2 billion 306. They just had earnings and it hasn't been updated yet on Yahoo Finance. I could go there and look, but I really don't care. I think Kronos is just trading based on the market, the MJ market, and based on the fact that they have $1 billion+ in cash. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.